so very hard. My God.
Ay.
What's that?
Come in.
Hello,
Guys. What are you doing?
Answering our module.
Oh, can you just join us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, are you done answering your module?
Not yet.
Oh, wait there.
It's so hard.
So let's start.
Okay, sure.
Here. Razel.
Okay.
Letter.
Oh,
God. Kim, do you have any idea of this?
Nothing. I don't have any idea about that lesson.
Razel,
Yes.
how about you?
Oh, what's that? Oh, so very basic.
Can you teach me?
Letter Marge, I'm so basic.
Okay.
I'm Kimberly. I have something to tell you. Can you please sit beside me? What, Kim? Anna is pregnant. Yeah.
Oh my God. She's so young to get.
Yeah. But Kim, there's more.
What is it?
Her boyfriend did not take his responsibility as a good father.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
she's so
please
young.
guys, minimize your voice.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, I have there an answer.
Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, do you have any idea about human rights?
Human rights?
Can you share it with me?
It is our right as a human to live.
Freedom of all.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.